Hi everyone, it's Josephine Leonard from Cloverdale PharmaSafe and PharmaSafe Stevenson Village. I would like to invite you to our Ideal Protein clothing swap that's happening at our Cloverdale PharmaSafe location on Saturday, April the 14th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So at the clothing swap, you're like, what is a clothing swap? Well, as we lose weight rather quickly on the Ideal Protein protocol, we tend to move sizes really quickly, and it's not always feasible to go and buy new clothing. So our dieters have been bringing in gently used pieces of clothing, cleaned, and we will be organizing them by size, and you will be able to go through and go shopping, essentially, for free. For those who are non-dieters, you are more than welcome to come. We are accepting donations per piece of clothing to the local Inn for Women. So it will be benefiting our local community of Cloverdale and Surrey. On the day of the event, we will also be sampling the skinny syrups as well as the skinny foams, and these will be on special 10% off during the event. We will have the Ideal Protein hot chocolate, well, the chocolate drink mix heated up, so it'll be like a hot chocolate. You can top it with the foams, or you can also try the foams with coffee or tea. We will also be sampling the Organika Enhanced Collagen, which will be in a refreshing lemon drink. So you can come in and sample that as well. And this product will also be on special 10% off during the event. All right, so I'm holding here my binder. We will be giving away 2 of these complete collection Ideal Protein recipe binders. They will be here for you to take a look at. You can actually see them in stores right now at both of our locations. We will have 2 complete copies to give away to our existing dieters. You can get an entry by 1, showing up for your appointment, 2, bringing your journal to your appointment, so that's 2 entries, and open to our non-dieters as well. You will get a chance to enter to win. You get 5 entries for showing up at the clothing swap on Saturday, April 14th, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So give us a call to register, 604-576-2888. I look forward to seeing you at our clothing swap. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Take care.